Watch the game!
Oh, Bibi, ate, tabi kayo dyan. Desa, go! Desa, go, Carter! Faster! Go, big sister! Go, go, go!
Yeah.
Alright, timers ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Nandito sa tabi ang kanyang proud mama.
2 minutes run.
Birthday nga pala ni Crystal. Happy birthday!
Alright.
Oh,
Sweet sport.
birthday nga.
Sweet sport life yun, ha?
Celebration.
Tapos cross hand. Exit. People exit. Full morphing to time machine.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Celine.
And Daka!
And Desa! Please subscribe!
Subscribe!
Hello guys, we are here in Marikina River Park, Marikina City. So today is the BMX day and part of their celebration is the push bike racing. So we registered Desa to join the race and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much and please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Beep beep! Bibidyo mo kami ni Desa. Ganyan mo lang. Ganyan. Upload mo sa YouTube. Enjoy the race, mahal ko ha. Stay ka lang dyan, mahal. Not yet pa. Stay ka lang on the back. Yan. Stay ka lang dyan. Number 7. You go there. You go there. Yan. Number 7. Stand-by kayong dalawa dito. Desa! Desa! I will watch you there, okay? And then go there. You can always hear my voice, okay?
Okay na, kaya na. Okay din na. Hit 3, hit 3. Beginners boys, 4 to 5. Beginners boys, 4 to 5, dalawa lang. Plus yung isang anak ni Sir Harvey na number 4 yung number. Okay. Riders ready. Watch the gate. Go! Go! Go, Nathan, go! Nathan, go! Faster! Wala yan, papasya lang yan ako. Go, go! Ano pag sinabi ko kailangan wow, andito na siya!
Desa! Hawakan mo to.
Gusto.
Desa! 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 Sorry.
Dad, kayo dyan. Tatamaan kayo nila Kiana.
Heart. Baby heart!
Mga nag-register po, yung registration,
Baby! Desa! No looking back. Baby! Naantay pa sa finish line. Big sister! Big sister! Ate! Go, go, go! Racing position. On the center lang ha, not in the gilid. You focus here. Yan. Ready. Watch on the road, mahal. You're the second winner. Wow! Yeah! High five! High five! Yeah! Yak! Papa! Papa, may mga ibon na tumatay! Look! There's a bird in my arm. Look! The bird pooped! Ah! Come here! The bird pooped! Ah! Come on, you go
Effort sa